Our first square for the month will be the lozenge pattern. So I hope that you've printed off your copy of the pattern and you are ready to start. As always, we're going to read our pattern first and then get started. So lozenge says to cast on 32 stitches with color number 505 Steve. Follow the chart. Repeat the stitches between the red lines or the stars 5 times, and then repeat the whole chart 5 times. And then you'll repeat rows 1 through 4, so just rows 1, 2, 3, 4 here, one more time before you bind off. So now that I've cast on 32 stitches with the color that I chose to use, which is French this month, it's not Steve like I talked about in the pattern, because again, you can choose whatever color you want. And remember, if you're a newer knitter, you've probably gained a little confidence. You can actually try a darker color this month if you want to. You're going to follow the chart and repeat the stitches between the red lines 5 times. So I'm going to go ahead and work the first half of this chart, and then I'll show you what it should look like. So now that I've worked the first 4 rows, I wanted to show you what it looks like. You can just start to see the pattern emerging. So I'm going to go ahead and work the next 4 rows, and then I'll show you what it should look like. And now that I have the first 8 rows done, I wanted to show you what it should look like. So you can start to see that pattern develop. So now that you have your first 8 rows done, it's important to go ahead and you're going to repeat that chart 5 times and then work rows 1 through 4 one more time. And the reason that we're doing that is to help get us to that 6 inches. So remember, if you have already reached 6 inches, you can bind off early. If you haven't reached 6 inches, go ahead and knit a few more rows until you reach 6 inches before you bind off. And with my squares, I had to do rows 1 through 4 again in order to reach my 6 inches. So I am going to go ahead and finish my square, and I will see you for the waving rib in the next video.